What up, y'all? It's your boy Mark Dark. And y'all, I know I haven't done a video in a little minute, but I'm finally back, yo. And today's video, we're doing a MukBang, you feel me? I need some salt, but anyways. Go, yo, go, move. Trying to sneak over my video. But nah, I was supposed to have somebody else do this with me. But anyways, bro, I know I haven't been uploading, bro. That last video I posted, I uploaded, was because my back camera was messed up. Now, my original camera was messed up, but now I'm straight. I got a new phone and everything. I went to the mall. I went to Apple and got a new phone because I got Apple Care. But other than that, I'm straight. So less talking and more eating. But anyways, I was supposed to have this dude over here. Y'all can't see him, and I was supposed to have most people eat with me, but they was asleep at the moment, so I was like, forget it. Hold on, I need to get some salt. Nah, but anyways, I was supposed to have my homies eat with me, do the MukBang with me, but they was all asleep. And I was getting hungry because I already had one that got my food. Let me just drink my water from now on. But other than that, I got this bit behind burger called the Stacker. They got the single, the double, and the triple. And this is Burger King. Wait, let me do a thumbnail first. I don't know. I'm not too good at thumbnails. But anyway, let's get to it. But no, that was the reason why I haven't been uploading. First of all, let me explain how my camera got broken. With a back camera. Okay, so it was early in the morning, like around 11 o'clock. My grandma took me to my dentist because I had an appointment and everything, right? So my grandma leave, and I go in the dentist to get everything done and everything. And then as I get done, I sign out. I go wait outside for my grandma because she had left. So I was waiting for her to come back. I was sitting down and everything. So she pulled up. She finally arrived. She pulled up. I go in the car. I go to get in the car. And I heard something like hit the ground, but I wasn't too sure what it was. I was being lazy, I didn't check. So I'm like, okay, I'm tripping and everything. So we pull off, right? As we pulling off, I go to check for my phone. I'm like, yeah, my phone is not with me right now. Cause I'm thinking I left it back there, like where, cause I was sitting down on the curb and I placed my phone down, but I ended up picking it up again. And then I went in the car. So we left. We had one to go get some Wendy's because my grandma be treating us right. We had one to go get some Wendy's. I'm like, Grandma, I do not have my phone on me. I think I dropped it back there. And as I was thinking, I'm like, wait, that's what that noise was. That was me. I dropped my phone. So I'm like, okay. We get the Wendy's. My grandma was like, hopefully nobody stole it or anything like that. And then we leave Wendy's, and then we go back to the dentist area where I dropped my phone. And then as we get back there, the phone is still there, and I have a screen protector on. and like my screen protector was like nearly off, and it was like face flat, like on the like phone. And I picked the phone up. I take the screen protector off because it was already like it was all shattered. That was due to the fact that we ran it over because I had dropped it, not noticing that it was my phone that I dropped because I was being lazy and stuff like that. But that's me. But anyways, okay, I picked the phone up. I take the screen protector off. It got like a little scratch on the phone, but it wasn't too big. The phone, everything was okay. Everything was okay. And then I go to check the camera, the back camera. And like, it wasn't cracked on the outside of the camera, but on the inside of the camera, it was like shattered. Well, it wasn't shattered, but it was like had little crack marks. It was weird. And then like 3 weeks later, 3 to 4 weeks later, I go to put on deodorant, right? I had deodorant, no, the phone in my left hand, deodorant in my right hand. I go to put on deodorant, phone drop out my hand, boom, it hit the floor, face flat, and then it was shattered. Like it literally was shattered on the camera. But oh yeah. But anyways, I recently, just like yesterday, got it fixed. Well, I didn't get it fixed. I got a new phone. I got a whole new phone. The same kind of phone, same color, everything. I really wasn't stressing about it. Only thing I was really stressing about is how I'm gonna make my YouTube videos. This day, but like how I was gonna make my YouTube videos. But as you can see, I got a new phone. Like I said, it's the same kind of phone, nothing different besides it's just new. And like yesterday, I was having problems with it because it was like, what was saying? It was like SIM card failure, and this SIM card has been locked. You have to turn your phone on and then back off. I mean, well, you have to turn your phone on and then back on. You have to turn your phone off and then back on. So I kept doing that. It kept saying the same thing. It kept popping up over and over. As I go to call someone, and if he calling, like the call will go through, and like 5 minutes later, as I'm talking, as I'm talking, it'll just like disconnect out of nowhere and says SIM card failure. So I'm like, okay, what is going on? So I call Sprint service, customer service. They let me know what's going on. The thing about it was I didn't activate the SIM card. So I got a SIM card activated the first time, but it didn't go through. So I was like, okay, this is strange. So I called him the second time. I was speaking to a different person, and he had to get my ICC ID. Y'all know what that is. Some people probably do know what it is. But it's in your settings, and you go to about it, and it'll tell you, yeah, blah, blah, blah. But anyways, I called a second person. He elaborated more on how to activate my card. The dude that was helping me the first time didn't explain how to activate my card, my SIM card, better. But he didn't elaborate how to activate my SIM card. Oh snap. So, the next MukBang I'm gonna do, it'll be with somebody special or my homeboys. But other than that, I gotta find a way to get more ideas. Cause I'm bad at ideas. Ideas for videos.
Jay, why you don't got waves? Get waves.
Hold on. I got this idea from Smoothie Hill and DDG. Shout out to them, man.
Get waves.
Oh yeah.
You'll get all the girl.
Dude, look, dude, that one. No, that one. I did.
To be honest with you, I feel like if I just stick to this YouTube, I can actually go somewhere. Not saying that I won't go nowhere if I don't do YouTube, but I'm just saying I can actually, it's gonna be like a second time thing, like a second job for me. Because somehow, me, I don't know how, but I make people laugh in my videos, or I entertain them when they are watching my videos. They be like, "Oh yeah, I like your video, man."
No, that one. But dude, look at that.
And I'm almost. Oh, Adrian. Hmm.
I want you to see your YouTube. How do you spell your YouTube name?
Hold on. I'll tell you after this. But no, like I was saying. Ew. How do you get in the fries though?
They just be scooping it up and maybe having like them type of, what is it, onion ring? Baby?
Yeah, bro, I hate onion rings.
Yeah, they scoop it all together.
Hmm. The what? Rice? I don't got rice.
You mean fries?
Oh, that's what you want. You just ate. But back to what I was saying. What was I saying? No. But right now we have like currently like 3,500 views in total. In order for my videos to get monetized, however you say that. Once we hit 4,000, that's when my videos get monetized. I don't know what I just said like a few seconds ago. I said something, I forgot. But yeah, once we hit 4,000 views, so that's why I need y'all help. For y'all to like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure you share this video with your friends. If you don't, hey, do you? I'm full, bro. Supposedly in a MukBang, supposed to finish all your food, but I can't do that right now. That burger was just too big. Have a bite. There you go. I actually got an application from there, bro. From Burger King? Yeah. They're hiring right now.
I was working at Sonic.
You didn't work it there?
I did, but like fast food, not where you want to work at. But that shit fast paced, and they don't pay you a lot. But it's good money for like if you just need something to buy clothes with.
I mean,
And
shit, I'm going to college, so I don't need no money like that. I'm so tired, bro. I stayed up till like, I want to say 2 or 1:50, around that time. I'm just tired. But anyway, y'all let me know what my next video should be, because yo, y'all let me know what my next video should be, cause I'm not good at doing that. Thinking of what my next video should be. Life hack. When you don't know what you want to do, what you go do is you go on YouTube. The person that you watch do that type of videos, you take them videos from him. Or you take the ideas. I'm trying to finish it. Best water in the world. Which are you? No, but honestly, I won't be able to finish it. I need a napkin.
that one. That one. I'm that
No, but like I was saying, comment down below on what I should do next. I know y'all out there watching me. Don't be scared to take 10 seconds out of your time to let me know what I should be doing. Or give me some ideas. Because if you don't let me know, that means I'm not important to you. You feel me? Y'all may not be able to hear me, but I'm trying to follow you up. Oh yeah. That's what I wanted to tell y'all. Y'all know how I was trying to get 720s? Not a lot of people know what that is, but y'all know how I was trying to get 720s? No. I'm not getting 720s no more. No. I'm getting 360. Y'all wanna see?
Look at that.
I'll be right back.
Yeah, thank you. Look at that. This one? This one. This one?
Alright, y'all. Not bad.
Yes.
But yeah, I remember how I was trying to get 720s. For everybody that know me on this YouTube channel, I know most of y'all know me. But anyways, sorry I keep talking and then stopping. But anyways, I'm trying to get 360 right now. They're not as hard as. They're way easier. They're way easier than 720s. Like the brushing form, and like it's just way. It feels comfortable. But anyways, I may not see nothing or anything like that. But it's something. I can feel it. I don't know about y'all, but I know what I'm talking about. You see that, dude? You lying to me. But anyways, I want to finish this up. I finished all the fries. I didn't finish all the fries. God damn, I'm out of breath. I want to finish this up though. And if you eat from McDonald's, you're disgusting. Oh, this way you hurt yourself. No, like I was saying, if you eat from McDonald's, you're disgusting. Well, it's certain food that you eat that's actually real, which is the, what is it? Quarter pounder? Yeah, the quarter pounder. And what I eat is the quarter pounder. And what else I eat is the burritos. Oh my gosh. The burritos and the mixed frappe. That's all I ever got. It was a mixed frappe and the burritos. Bro, I'm done. Let me eat this out. My first time ever doing the MukBang. So y'all give us a big thumbs up. I know this sounds funny, but at least let's get 30 likes.
That one. This one. This one?
Yeah, I'm cleaning
That
it
one. This one? Yes.
up. Anyways,
Yes.
hey, Pager, go get that.
Get that?
Dang, I'm so full. What is it called? No. Go get that little thing so I can put it under the cup. Right there. Get that. Thank you. But anyways, like I was saying, that's the only thing I get from McDonald's is that. And this kid over here supposed to be in the video with me, Dip.
You didn't wake me up and I got nothing to eat.
So I didn't wake you up?
You said I'm MukBang.
I'm like, bro, get up. I'm sitting here repeatedly trying to get you up. But you didn't want to get up.
I got nothing to eat, bitch.
I'm gonna go buy something, but too late.
Cut that out.
But y'all, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Man, my mood changed real quick right now. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I hope y'all enjoyed the last video. I hope y'all enjoyed the last video before the last video. I hope y'all enjoyed the last video before the last video before the last video. I hope y'all enjoyed the last video before the last video before the last video before the last video. Okay. Hope y'all enjoyed the last video before the last video before the last video before the last video before that video before that last video. But anyways, it's your boy Mark Dark, and we no. It's your boy Mark Dark. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. It's your boy Mark Dark. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell. It's your boy Mark Dark. Make sure you. It's your boy Mark Dark. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And we out.